Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Video on.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Tell me your question and one by one. Where is main problem?
Sir, actually, I don't know to proceed the sums, sir.
That I know. That is only your main problem, that you are studying that how to do.
Sir.
But no, very bad. With you have no patience. You are hard, you are fearing more. Don't fear. Little answer not coming, no more you are fearing. Patience keep.
Okay,
In my life, no, I itself can't find more solution when I was starting preparation doing. Patience keep first. Every solution will come.
Okay, sir.
Don't fear, don't harbad, don't do. You send me that question only, no? 7.
That first question itself, I know it's Riemann integrable, sir, but I don't know how to find it if it is pi square by 6. That and all, I don't know, sir.
First function you open.
Okay, sir.
Because I gave no like this one question I did. I told no first function have your at defining 1 by n plus 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 1 by n, defining 1 by n at 0 0 defining. So you have to open function because integration when you are going to find 0 to 1. So we have to do partition, no, that interval 0 to maybe 1 by 2, 1 by 2 to 1 by 3, 1 by 3 to 1 by 4, like that. Whatever interval function defined have, that partition you have to do integration. N is a natural.
Also, how's the pi square will come?
No, everything before you will think. First solve. How will come, that only we are thinking now.
Okay, sir.
First means your astrologer type thinking. How will come pi square? Astrologer have to calculate. Maybe how, why not will come. Answer won't come, then won't take out. Finish.
Okay, sir.
Maybe if I am giving answer ki pi square, maybe my answer key is wrong. That is also first before find. Before you are thinking this and all 1, 2, 3, 4 type have, how pi will come. Everything possibility. Before don't think. First you try to solve. Anything will come.
Okay, sir.
So you have to solve means how you will solve. Function how you will open, tell.
If 1 by n means from 1.
N belongs to natural number, huh?
Yes, sir. And the interval is 1 by n plus 1 to 1 by n closed.
So at 1, if you will put means between 1 by 2 to 1, function will define 1, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Again 1 by 3 to 1 by 2 function will define 1 by 2. Again 1 by 4 to 1 by 3 function will define 1 by 3. Like that function will often, and at 0 function is 0 telling.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First function is continuous, discontinuous what?
It's discontinuous at 0, no, x6 circle. Sorry, at the interval, no, sir.
Function is discontinuity at 1, at 1 by 2, at 1 by 3 like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Between 1 by 2 to 1 function is 1. 1 by 3 to 1 by 2 function is 1 by 2. So at 1 and all function will fail.
Okay, sir.
At 1 will fail 1 minute. 1 minus h will define 1, add 1 1. 1 by 2 plus h will define 1 by 2 minus h will define 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus h will define 1. At 1 not. At 1 function is continuous, sir. Function will discontinuity at 1 by 2, at 1 by 3, at 1 by 4, this side, left side.
One
Okay.
also, when n equal to 1, we will get the 1 by 2 comma 1, no, sir.
What I am telling you, see first. Function at 1 continuous, suppose have to check, correct?
Yes, sir.
How you will check? Our interval is closed interval 0 to 1.
Yes, sir.
So at 1, if you will check function is continuous or not, then how you will proceed? Tell me.
We have to check the if it is continuous or discontinuous. We check.
At 1, how you will check? What you will proceed?
When x equal to 1, no, sir.
At 1. One is end points, no?
Yes, sir.
So at 1 is end point. So 1 left side have no?
Yes, sir.
1 right side anything have? Right neighborhood?
No, sir. Don't know.
Your no theories is not strong. You are not revising correctly anything. I gave you definition. Any function is continuous on closed interval AB. Correct. So at A you have to check right hand continuity. At B have to check left hand continuity. Here you have to check at 1 right left hand continuity only.
Okay, sir.
And functional value. Between 1 by 2 to 1 containing function is 1, no?
Yes, sir.
So left hand continuity, if you will find for function at 1, then function will define 1 only.
Okay, sir. Left hand, that's F dash, that formula only, no, sir.
What formula?
Of A minus H.
Yeah, A minus h. But this function, no formula, no need to apply. This is constant function, constant stepwise function.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you have to do what? Function, you see first function left hand, left neighborhood of 1, what defining?
Okay, sir.
What defining? Tell.
Left neighborhood.
Left neighborhood of 1 function is what? You are not understanding. How much problem have, and full class you are silent only living.
No, sir. With the I'm not.
Don't tell anything. Don't tell anything. I know how much you are understanding. One neighborhood of 1 meaning 1 minus h, 1 plus h. Correct.
That's 1 plus H. Yes, sir.
So here 1 minus h, which place you are getting? 1 minus h.
Minus H will be in left
First,
hand.
first case you see, you wrote function you opened or not? First tell. I told you function open. That photo I will send you. I told function first open. Theory is strong to Subha, your theory is not strong here. You're not understanding left hand neighborhood and right hand neighborhood anything. You see your WhatsApp.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You see first case between 1/2 to 1.
Yes, sir.
Your left neighborhood of 1 defining first only. Between 1/2 to 1. That is the left neighborhood of 1.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Right neighborhood of 1 nothing have.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay.
right neighborhood of 1 nothing have means function is continuous only have at 1.
Okay, sir.
At 1/2 right neighborhood of 1/2 what is function?
Right neighborhood of 1/2 only, that 1/2 to 1, that interval, no, sir.
Yeah, that is the right neighborhood of 1/2.
Yes.
Function is 1. Left neighborhood of 1/2 is what function at 1/2?
Well, that 1/3 to 1/2.
Yes, that is the left neighborhood of 1/2.
Yes.
And right neighborhood of 1/3. Okay. So function left neighborhood of 1/2 defining, right neighborhood of 1/2, 1 defining. Same function at right neighborhood of 1/3, 1/2 defining, and left neighborhood of 1/3, 1/3 defining. So function is discontinuous at 1/2, at 1/3, at 1/4, like that.
Okay, sir.
Function is first class continuous at 1, no any problem.
Okay.
Anyhow, function is discontinuous at 1/2, 1/3 and all. Then how will tell function is Riemann or not?
By left hand neighborhood and
How you will tell that function
upper
is Riemann?
Riemann and lower Riemann must be equal, sir.
So here upper Riemann, lower Riemann you can't find. No, function is defining in constant form. You
Yes.
can't find. You can't find. So this type question, how to check function Riemann or not?
If it has this finite number of discontinuous point.
Okay, here finite number of discontinuity point have.
Yeah. N belongs to N.
What is discontinuity point here?
Here it's 1/2, 1/3 up to 0, sir.
Up to 0. Everything you are deciding before. Up to 0. Where is 0 here?
Sorry, I mean it converges, no, sir.
Oh, that why thinking? That is the another sequence, no? That is sequence is convergent, divergent. Why I want function discontinuity point. Finish.
1/2, 1/3 till 1/n, sir.
Till no, don't tell till anything.
Okay,
1/2, 1/3, dot going on. Infinite.
Okay, sir.
No finite have. So this is the infinite discontinuity point have function.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So infinite discontinuity point have function, then function how Riemann integration? You are telling this is function Riemann integration. How Riemann? Infinite number of discontinuity point.
It has a continuous point, no, sir, at 1.
At 1.
When x equal to 1.
Continuous point, what problem? I want full interval, no. Single point continuous means function Riemann integration. Who told? I didn't teach this and all. Always I am telling, read theory, read. Your theory is very, very poor. For that main problem coming. And you are telling that for me solution not coming. Riemann integration notebook है?
Yes, sir.
Open Riemann integration open.
Yes, sir. Took, sir.
You find you see 3 property I get 3 or 4 property. You see one place in discontinuity case. I told that 3 property is very important.
Yes, function is continuous on closed AB except infinite number of discontinuity points. Then f of x may or may not be Riemann integrable. You have said.
Yes. That three only read. Again, next read.
Then, but if this set of infinite number of discontinuous have finite limit point, then f of x must be Riemann integrable.
Okay, another.
Then if function f of x is continuous on closed AB except countable number of discontinuity point, then f of x must be Riemann integrable on closed AB.
Very good. So you are feeling anything here following?
Except discontinuity point. This only I understood this point only, sir. That only I told the finite number of discontinuity point like that.
Here finite number of discontinuity point have.
No, sir.
Then how you are applying this?
But actually in exam I wrote Riemann. It is not Riemann integrable only, sir.
Then that is wrong only, no?
Yes, sir.
You check infinite number of discontinuity point. Then what have to do? Check it for Riemann. Very clearly I explained in class. Very clearly how to check. More I think 4 or 5 questions I did. That same three property. Out of three property, you see one property or two property I gave infinite number of discontinuity point means what have to do? Check it.
We have separated that integral into partitions, sir. Then we have done, sir.
No, Subhapriya, that theory I gave no three property. That I am telling. In that you read one property, that finite number of discontinuity point you leave. Infinite discontinuity you read.
Infinite only 1 point only, no, sir. I have given.
Three property I gave. Property I am telling. Now you read, no.
Yes, sir. That alone only I have written, sir, in infinite for infinite.
Again you read one time.
If function f of x is continuous on closed AB, then except infinite number of discontinuity points, then f of x may or may not be Riemann integrable on closed AB. But if this set of infinite number of discontinuities has finite limit point, then f of x must be Riemann integrable on closed AB.
Okay. Listen, wait here after. This we have infinite number of discontinuity point, you know, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4.
Yes, sir.
So this infinite number of discontinuity point is a sequence. What is the limit point? What is the limit point for this sequence? Infinite number of discontinuity point?
0, sir.
0. So finite limit point coming, no?
Yes, sir.
So this is Riemann.
Okay, sir. Now understood, sir.
Now understood. And another one property also you can apply here. Another one property tell.
That's also for the discontinuous. I have written one here one.
You don't know this also, how many written, where written.
Function is
if you will be here, no, I will beat you by what telling that stick. I gave you. You see that when infinite number of discontinuity point will come, then that set of discontinuity point is countable infinite discontinuity point. Then also Riemann integration. Any property I gave like this?
If function is continuous except countable number of discontinuity.
See, countable number of discontinuity point. Correct. Finite means no need. Finite means always countable. This countable concept you have to apply for infinite set.
Okay.
In this question, both two method you can apply. In this question, your infinite number of discontinuity point and this infinite discontinuity point limit point is 0. So this is Riemann integration. Second property also you can tell this infinite number of discontinuity point is a countable infinite set. So this is Riemann integration. Finish.
Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
Already I told whatever problem coming, no direct go theories, everything given. Next, you see how to integrate this.
Okay, sir.
We have to integrate 0 to 1 fx dx, correct?
Yes, sir.
Our function, when we operand, then function operand have between 1 by 2 to 1, 1 by 3 to 1 by 2, 1 by 4 to 1 by 3, like this, correct?
Okay,
So
sir.
this function, what we will do, opposite we will open same type, 1 by 2 to 1, 1 by 3 to 1 by 2, 1 by 4 to 1 by 3, like this, dot 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 will go. So 1 by 2 to 1 function what define have 1. 1
1
by 3 to 1 by 2 function what define have 1 by 2.
by
1
2.
by 4 to 1 by 3 function what define have 1 by 3. Here after everything integration do and addition do.
Okay, sir.
Finish.
So,
Wait. What coming? Check it. Integration. Here if you will do means.
respect to x only, no, sir?
Yeah. Dx.
Okay, sir. Two, 1 by
And very carefully this arrangement have to do. Otherwise, no answer won't come. Because
okay.
this is no all sequence series type collection will come. If your theories are not strong, Subha, you can do anything. Always problem will come. So theory is strong first.
Okay. One by 2 plus 1 by 6, like that it will come, no, sir?
Multiplication also have. Your first series will be 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, like this. Outside 1 by 2 and all common will come, no? Where you left? 1 by 2 common will come, 1 by 3 common will come. In integration inside between 1 by 3 to 1 by 2 function, what defining that you have to write, no?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
After that only integration you will do. What addition came for you? Series what came?
2 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 36, sir.
Bapre, you added also completed. This is infinite series will come now. How you are adding?
For for that, first 3 integral only I did, sir.
Very good. How you are doing like this? Only direct 3 integration you are addition doing. This is infinite. Infinite will open. No, n is the natural number. Infinite integration will come. You have to write plus dot dot dot. Your series will come 1
Yes.
minus 1 by 2
Dot
plus,
dot dot only now, sir. 1 by
plus
2 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 36 plus dot dot dot, sir.
1 by 12, and after that what you told? 1 by 36. Everything will, that dot 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 do. But no, direct that type also don't do. You have to arrangement have to do here, because that will be the new series will come. That series you can't arrange. And direct no addition multiplication don't do. Something you think that something I have to do there. Otherwise problem will come. That only I'm thinking what arrangement will do. Two type of series for me coming here now. That I will add. One minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Here series it will come 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3 square, like that coming. Separate doing means two series coming. 1 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square, like that will go. Another one 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6, like that will go. Suppose from here 1 by 2 common, I will choose 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6, like that go. From here one minute question, I will see on that. Any formula I gave that 1 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus dot dot anything. Here two series I am getting 1 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square dot dot dot
And
minus 1
minus
by
1 by
2
2,
plus
minus
1 by
1 by
6 plus
6.
1 by 12 like this.
Yes,
From
sir.
there also if 1 by 2 common I will choose means 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 like that will come. Anything GP series, AP series, any formula like that? My mind also not coming now anything. 1 minute I will see. Formula. Arrangement I did very well. This in my mind, not coming now how I arrange the time. That formula and all gave no Cauchy's first theorem, limit, second theorem, limit and all. By that type also here, summation, this is we can write summation 1 by n square. N is equal to 1 to infinite.
Okay, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. This summation series have to find. And this is sum have defined for this series 1 plus 1 by n square plus 1 by 3 square like this. Okay. 1 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square. Okay, wait. We will see this formula. Anything maybe I saw I did this question. Summation 1 by n square is convergent. So what is the conversion value? How addition will come? Addition and summation of partial sum of series addition have to find from there, and in GP series form this is. Okay, this arrangement I will do later and I will give you. Okay. Some
Okay.
formula forgetting maybe anything. Because you know, for this I arrange and I prepare this question.
Okay, sir.
Actually, this value no summation will come pi square by 6. I find I have remember, but in my mind not coming what method I use, what type of arrangement I did, because summation no 1 by n square limit point will come pi square by 6. You are telling no sir pi how will come?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that arrangement for that confusion only I gave to you, means in test that pi square. Very good example. This is why I'm forgetting that formula. I will send you later in WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next question we'll see. Means finally this addition only I have to give you. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Why this is function Riemann integration, that clear? No.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
And for this arrangement and no like that, this type of arrangement correctly have to do. Don't add continue.
Okay, sir.
That 1 by 2L or like that, don't add. You have to arrange like that. Common have to choose two to three type series will come. That series, sometime APGP series very easy way coming. I know the here problem will come for a student, and I prepared by any formula, so I gave that. I want that students have to get problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I will see. Time checking now.
Okay.
Next question.
So for next question, I got I didn't get -1, -5 and all, sir.
Not getting. You have to arrangement have to do like that. 1 minute. I will send another day also. One student asked this. I think still I have that calculating. Yeah, but I will send you.
Yes, sir.
See, I send now. Here basis have 1 plus x, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x cube. So whatever polynomial will go like that basis only you have to arrange.
But for 1 plus x square, 1 plus x, 2 plus 2x plus x square, you got no, sir.
That 2 plus you down, you should down. There no little place not is there. Down you see 2 plus 2x plus x square arrangement you have to do in the form of 1 plus x square, 1 plus x cube like this.
Okay, sir.
So you have to add something and have to do.
Like this. So, as it is given in a polynomial type, we have to do such, sir.
Yeah, that is structure no basis set.
Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
And p of 1 plus x cube polynomial also we got 2 plus 3x plus 3x square plus x cube. So full polynomial arrangement you have to do with the basis set, whatever given basis set.
Till that 2 plus 3x plus 3x square plus x cube only I did, sir. So only I didn't get that -5 and all I didn't get, sir.
You are not arranging in that basis set. If our basis set is 1x, x square, x cube, then direct that coefficient and all have to keep, correct?
Okay, sir.
But here our telling there that T transformation matrix prepared by the basis set of 1 plus x, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x cube. So full polynomial we have to prepare depend on that 1 plus x, 1 plus x square only. So we have to take common element and we have to add something. Means full polynomial will be just using a naught plus a1 into 1 plus x plus a2 into 1 plus x square plus a3 to 1 plus x cube like that.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
Next question. Next question, singularity and all have no.
Whenever I get exponential power alone, I'm getting confused, sir.
1 minute. Here have f of z, they are asking at z is equal to 0. E
Yes.
power z by 1 minus cos z given, correct?
Yes.
E power formula you open if you are getting problem means. What is E power formula?
E power z means 1 minus z plus z square divided by 2 factorial.
Minus plus both you are telling.
So actually everything will be plus because here power is plus, sir.
e to the power x formula is 1 plus x by factorial 1 plus x square by factorial 2 like this.
Sir. Yes, sir. So Z1 plus
Yeah,
divide
1 plus z by 1 minus cos z plus 1 z by 1 minus cos z whole square by factorial 2 like this. Dot 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 will go. They are asking at z is equal to 0.
0.
1 minute. Cos 0 is 1 only, no?
Yes, sir.
So here function will be fail because z 0 by 0, 0 by 0 like that will go. So here very good. Their function is equal to 1 by cos z. Removable singularity, pole essential singularity, Laurent extension of x around there will finite many positive and negative power factor. Correct. Limit z tends to 0. If you will do, then 0 by 0 coming.
Yes, sir.
So you do one thing, limit L hospital rule have to apply. In function itself, limit z tends to 0 apply, what will come? E to the power z by 1 minus cos z. Because this function is 0 by 0 form.
1 divided by 1 plus sin Z, like that it will come, sir.
Then 1 by sin z, only differentiation cos z is minus sin z. 1 by sin z will come. 1 by sin z will come in sin 0 means 0 again fail will go. Then in that case 0 fail going means now singular point, that is. So again we have to use our formula only, then this will go 1 by sin z, 1 by sin z whole square like that will go. Then every places will fail only. Which FTS question this is?
This is 9, sir.
9.
Yes, sir. 9th one, sir.
47 number.
Yes, sir.
Today, yesterday test happened, that is result not given, no, still?
No, sir.
So e power 1 by differentiation cos z will be sin z. After that this will fail. So 1 plus 1 by sin z factorial 1 by sin z whole square factorial 2 like that will go. Okay, I got it. What is your doubt? You tell here after in this question.
So actually, 1 by sin, like this, it will come means it will come as pole only, no, sir.
1 minute. I'm coming.
Finite number of
Here, Subhapriya, I saw that our function z by 1 minus cos z After limit applying, 0 by 0 coming, correct?
Yes, sir.
So 0 by 0 coming means we have to apply L hospital rule after that. Because when will fail at 0 they are asking. So at 0 when will fail, then only you can tell that singular point or not, but it's still not fail going.
Okay, sir.
So 0 by 0 only have. So L hospital rule applying. After L hospital rule, we are getting limit z tends to 0 e power 1 by sin z. Okay. So next z when 0 we will apply, then this will fail 1 by 0 is infinity.
Yes,
So
sir.
e power infinity is infinity, fail going. So fail going means 0 is a singular point. So which type of singular point? So we will, when we will open e power 1 by sin z, so this 1 plus 1 by sin z plus 1 by sin z whole square factorial 2 dot 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 like that will go, correct?
Now we have to do for e power 1 by sin z, sir.
Yeah. That
Okay.
function, because that is only our calculating function after limit applying.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Because that function is 0 by 0 coming. So we have to proceed next L hospital rule. Then we are getting function e power 1 by sin z. Limit z tends to 0 e power 1 by sin z. So this function limits z tends to 0 when we are going this function. This 1 by sin z, 1 by sin z whole square dot 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 infinite going, no?
That's right, sir.
So our singular point is a pole, if you will tell, then what is the order of this? Can't tell, no? Our singular point order does not exist because this is infinite going.
Finite going. Okay, sir.
Correct.
Okay, sir.
So when infinite will go, order does not exist will come. Then that is the essential singularity.
Exactly.
When order will exist, then that is called a pole.
Okay, sir.
So 1 minute. Next, what asking? What is answer key?
C and D, sir.
1 minute. What is D? One again. I have to go back. C and D. What is C? C is essential singularity. C essential singularity will be the answer.
Yes, sir.
Immovable singularity can't tell because limit does not exist coming 0 by 0.
Yes, sir.
Pole can't tell because order this is going till infinite. And mostly no, Subha Priya, whenever e power will ask no,
Oh, yes, sir.
that is the pole not possible because always will go till infinite.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So essential singularity and D, why correct? You know?
Infinitely many possible.
Here when we are opening e power exponential, when we are opening, so when cos z we will open, so we will see that our z form that infinite till infinite going with positive powers and negative powers.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that only telling, that is Laurent expansion. When we will do positive negative both powers will come, and in, and in Laurent series already positive negative both powers are there, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this exponential, if we will open completely, suppose cos z also we will explain, z may be common, I will check. Then again e power form we will open the automatic, whatever series will come, that is called a Laurent series. And the Laurent series, that z power positive negative both will be there, finish. So D option is correct.
Okay, sir. That okay, sir. If essential singularity means D option will come, sir. That I understood. But this applying LH rule only I didn't know, sir.
Oh, no, limit whenever first singular point means you have to apply limit.
Okay.
Fail will go, then only singular point. But here fail not going, no. Here 0 by 0 coming. This meaning L hospital rule have to apply and have to check fail going or not.
Okay, sir.
Next 49.
It will also be the same, I think, sir. E power. Yeah.
Down e to the power form have no, that also you can go with 1. -1 plus 1 will cancel.
Okay.
Then I think 2 pi I z common will come.
Yes, sir.
You will do or I will check again?
I'll do, sir.
You try again, otherwise next time can ask.
Okay, sir. I'll try it with 10.
Next 50.
Yes, sir.
Reducible, irreducible, you told problem.
Yes, sir.
You see, first you tell me first option what your problem getting. You are telling irreducible, have to check.
Yes, sir. That is I for x cube alone, for all x cube when odd, it will be irreducible over R, I know, sir.
Listen, that you leave. Which field, what asking? Which ring? What asking? One by one have to go. I gave more method. What you are telling, that is for real number.
Yes, sir.
So more method giving with more fields. So which field where applying, that you have to catch properly.
Okay, sir.
You see first option. First option asking over Q.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
So whenever over Q asking, no, in that polynomial you try to apply Eisenstein. I told already in class, any type of polynomial giving over the field Q asking, then or over the field, over the ring Z will ask, then you go with Eisenstein criterion. Eisenstein will fail, then you go mod P test. Mod P test will fail, then you go with your that rational method I gave, P by Q method.
Yes, sir. Mostly I will go with mod P test only, sir. By
Mod,
that,
first you see this is Eisenstein can apply or not.
okay, sir.
First option. What is Eisenstein rule property?
Yes. Actually, I don't know, sir.
Your notes you open. Modern algebra reducible. Don't know, don't tell. Why don't know? Class I gave, then don't tell I forget.
Algebra. Yes, I stand. But I see I can. Not P test. Yes, Einstein is P divides A naught, P divides A1. We have to see P square must not divide A naught.
Here you have to choose there exists a prime P. P divides A naught, P divides A1, P divides A2 dot P does not divides AN, and P square does not divides A naught. Okay.
P divides A, sir.
Eh?
I have wrote P divides A, sir.
P square does not, yeah, P does not divides AN.
Okay, sir.
And P square does not divides A naught.
Okay, sir.
So for the first option, what P if you will choose, tell me.
Some prime I have to choose. I can choose 3 now, sir.
Yeah, anything, your wish. At there exists this is at least one prime will satisfy, means Eisenstein will pass.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
So
Don't
if
know.
put 3 means
3 will divide 15.
yes, sir.
3 will divide 9.
Yes, sir.
3 will divide 3.
Yes, sir. But
3 does not divides 1.
yes, sir.
3 square does not divides A naught.
Yes.
It's 15.
Yes, sir.
So finished. Eisenstein pass. So this is irreducible over Q. First option is correct.
Okay, sir.
Next have Z by 7 Z giving, means Z 7 field.
So
So
divide not also no, sir. Oh, this is AN. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Understood.
Here A naught is 15, A1 is 9, A2 is 3, AN means last, A4 is your 1.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Next question, second option.
Yeah, this mod with mod itself it will be easy now, sir.
Yeah, 0 to 6, you put value.
Yes,
If,
sir.
if any roots coming means reducible, not coming means irreducible.
Yes, sir. That with mod I'm getting easy, sir. Whenever this mod 7 like that, if it given means I'll.
No, here mod 7 don't have, mod P test don't apply.
Okay, sir.
Now this is another question. Every option, every question, different question is there.
Okay.
In your first option, no,
Hmm.
if
That
Eisenstein will fail, there you can apply mod P test.
okay, sir.
When over Q asking, that time apply. Over Q, over Z, otherwise don't apply.
Okay, sir.
Every types I gave, types telling no, every types I gave, every types they are asking in option, different option.
Understood, sir.
Second option is over Z by 7Z, means Z7 they are asking.
Yes, sir.
So Z7 is a field between 0 to 6 elements are there. 0,
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. So every element you put in X place one by one. And you see 0 coming or not. If 0 coming means root will exist. Then
Yes.
reducible. If 0 not coming means root does not exist, irreducible can tell.
Okay, sir.
C option you see. C option you have x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. X cube no means 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 4. No. You see D option 5 minus 1, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 3, 5 minus 4, 5 minus 5. You see D option is your what polynomial? That cyclotomic polynomial. Cyclotomic polynomial I gave, correct?
No, sir, not getting in my mind, sir.
You see cyclotomic polynomial. First, no, you are not reading notes properly still. This much test happened. No, any test you are not revising and writing. At least notes you will be strong. You cyclotomic polynomial also you don't know where is. You check in reducible, irreducible. No, every types I gave.
Yes.
Over Z over Q means Eisenstein will ask. I gave another one type. After Eisenstein, you check it cyclotomic polynomial I gave. Power
After
P minus.
irreducible, you have given Eisenstein's then mod P irreducibility test, sir.
I
Galois
think.
it will go, sir.
Huh?
Galois field.
Yeah, Galois don't go. Irreducible chapter you see.
Irreducible only I'm telling, sir. Eisenstein and mod P alone I have written, sir.
Then very good you are doing. Why, where went when cyclotomic giving after Eisenstein no cyclotomic polynomial I wrote. X
Yes.
power P minus 1, X power P minus 2.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where is that?
Yeah, after before mod P irreducibility test, sir.
Yeah, before mod only. First Eisenstein, after that cyclotomic polynomial, after the property I gave f of a plus x, f of ax.
Okay, sir.
Cyclotomic polynomial is always irreducible over Z over Q both. You check it.
Yes, sir.
You are always telling, sir, your theory is good. Theory is good. Not reading anything. How you are telling theory is good? Your theory is very poor. Have read theory, give time, revise. Otherwise, question always you will feel like this.
Okay.
For this reason, you know your question solution not coming anything. C option, D option will be irreducible. Understood? D option.
Okay, sir.
D option is cyclotomic polynomial. How you will check? Tell me.
X bar P minus 1, X bar P minus 2,
What is
etc.
P here?
P is 5, sir.
Correct. So 5 minus 1, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 3 satisfying. So this is direct you take out irreducible over Z also over Q also both.
Okay, sir.
And P, what about C option?
C,
C
it is.
option is
Oh,
cyclotomic.
sir. It is not prime, no, sir.
This is not a cyclotomic because 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2 and all satisfying.
Yes, sir.
4 is not a prime.
Yes, sir.
Then how you will check this is reducible or irreducible?
If it is not cyclotonic polynomial means it will be reducible. If it is not like
No.
that.
No. Method will fail. You can't tell not. You have to apply another method.
Okay.
At this question, no preparing foolish. You see that x square I can take common. Then x plus 1 plus 1, x plus 1 will come. X plus 1 common, if you will choose x square plus 1 will come. This C option you can prepare x plus 1 into x square plus 1. So reducible.
Yes.
Then finish. Factor we can find at least one. And here both factor will be belongs to Z box. So this is reducible.
Understood.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next what question?
Next, this f dash of 1, sir. If we differentiate and integrate means instead of that t square, I have to imply that 2x and 1 no, sir.
And Leibniz formula I gave, no, that have to apply here. Leibniz formula, remember, have?
I thought after derivation and integration, we have to just cancel it and apply the integral, I thought, sir.
Whenever any integration function form limit have, they are asking derivative do, then Leibniz theorem have to apply a derivative of any function.
Okay, sir.
Fundamental theorem of integral calculus I gave in real analysis. Remember have Leibniz formula? No.
No, sir.
Very good.
So,
Real analysis you go function of no Riemann integration, you check it, Riemann integration last concept and all, any formula I gave, or fundamental theorem of calculus, what theorem I proved, you know, that you check.
Lipschitz only, my mind is coming with Lipschitz, sir. Leibniz, it's not.
Lipschitz, here Lipschitz, why you will have?
No. Leibniz formula, my mind is capturing Lipschitz, sir.
No.
Okay, sir. D by dx and integral f of x to g of x, f of x comma t dat equal to integral f of x g of x dou by dou x f of
Yes,
x.
partial derivative integration inside will go.
Yes,
After that upper limit derivative, after that inside function t plus you have to put upper limit. After that lower limit you have to derivative with minus sign.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I want to
studied. This formula I studied for I think 6 to 7 times, but I'm forgetting it, sir.
You are forgetting, but you are why hopeless going? That is main problem. Hopeless going now because hopeless you are forgetting. No another reason. Whenever getting any problem, you go open notes only. Your everything notes have. You have to learn first how to read notes and how to apply question, how to concept have to apply in question from your notes.
Yes, sir.
Here function will be 1 by 1 plus t square have. Partial derivative will go means fully 0.
Yes.
Here your answer will come 2 by 1 plus 4x square. F that's 1 asking now. Then 2 by 1 plus 4. 2 by 5 answer will come. D option. Understanding?
Yes.
Just that formula use and f dash x find first. After that x place 1 put.
Yes, sir.
Don't memorize any theories. You are memorizing for that forgetting.
Okay, sir.
College method and all delete first. Or never will come any concept in mind.
Okay.
Question practice where first you can't catch that this question what method I will apply. That is also your problem. That only your main problem. Question C, question if you can apply method, you can catch, means directly go and open notes. No need to read notes also. You go on the spot in notes. Automatic in mind will come. No need to memorize separate.
Okay, sir.
42 what problem?
42 in option B, if x square plus 1 is the characteristic polynomial, means then how it can be a real matrix, sir?
We are telling there is a 2 cross 2 real matrix with characteristic polynomial. You direct quadratic form you can open, no. Otherwise, wait, I will give you x square plus 1 want, no.
Yes, sir. It will be plus or minus I only, no, sir. It can't
1
be.
minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Skew symmetric matrix you can find. Skew symmetric matrix. Diagonal is 0, 0 and non-diagonal is 1 and minus 1, 2 cross 2. You see that this polynomial coming characteristic.
With that diagonal as 1 and 1, sir.
Diagonal 0, 0 is skew symmetric, I am telling. Real skew symmetric.
No, I'm talking about the other diagonal, sir.
Other?
That A12.
Oh, non-diagonal you tell, other diagonal.
Okay.
Non-diagonal is 1 minus 1 will come.
1 minus 1.
A12 is 1, A21 is minus 1.
Okay, sir.
Skew symmetric. Characteristic polynomial will come lambda square plus 1.
Lambda square plus 1. Oh, okay, sir. So only if it is skew symmetric, then if it is symmetric means it won't come. No. I mean, with 1 0, if it is identity matrix like 1 0 0 1 and all.
Yeah, won't come. Yeah, won't come.
Yes, sir.
Here asking possibility or not. First class possibility. Finish. There exists this is.
Actually, with
Always will ask, then always not possibility.
okay, sir.
There exists whenever asking. At least one also you are getting miss pass.
Okay.
But if you are not getting, then there does not exist. They will write.
Understood, sir.
Next, 52 what problem?
52, I have no idea, sir.
Why no idea? That the class I gave no q of k is q of omega square and L is q of omega. And what is omega? Omega is cos 2 pi by 10 by I sin 2 pi by 10. So first omega you solve. What is the value of omega?
Omega, I have to solve.
Pi by 5. What is the cos pi by 5 value? Otherwise you can do one thing. Pi by 5. Pi minus any formula can use. Pi minus pi by 4. 4. Pi minus pi by 2, pi by 3. Yeah, 2 pi can write. 2 pi minus pi by 3, if we will write what will come? No, down 5 have no. Otherwise, direct formula, what is the cos pi by 5 formula?
Pi by 5. Cos x.
Otherwise, no, pi minus 4 pi by 5 can do means pi minus 4 pi by 5. No problem, no need any formula. Direct value tell. Pi by 5, cos pi by 5, 180 by 5 is 45 degree anything. 80 divided by 5, 5 3 15, 5 35 degree maybe. 5 3 15. So this is e to the power I by 5, no? Cos pi by 5 plus I sin pi by 5. So this is, I can write e power I pi by 5.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So 1 minute. 36 degree will come.
Yes,
So omega value what? E power 2 pi I by 5, 2 and pi.
sir.
Nth root of unity, omega is nth root of unity means e power 2 pi I by n. Correct. So we have to prepare here what is omega here. So suppose I will multiple upper side 2. Already here pi by 10 have no 10 root of unity this is. No need to cut also. Already here multiplication giving.
Okay, sir.
Correct. Finish. 1 minute. No need to calculate and no need to find value. Otherwise, extra have to think then. Here omega value is what? Cos. I can write e power 2 pi I by 10.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Wait, already 2 pi by 10 they are giving. No need to cut also. Cutting means again have to multiple only. So this is omega is a 10th root of unity.
Okay, sir.
Understood how? Because when omega is the nth root of unity, then omega value is e power 2 pi I by n. So here n plus 10 have, correct? So omega is a 10th root of unity. So very easy after that. If suppose omega is a 10th root of unity, then what about omega square? Omega square will be e power 4 pi I by 10 will come, correct?
Yes, sir.
So omega square will be 5th root of unity. If we will cut 2 by 2, then omega square will be 2 pi I by 5, correct?
2 pi. Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Understood, Anand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This 4 and 10 we are cancelling.
Yeah, we will cancel because I have to prepare structure 2 pi I by n form.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Understood?
Okay,
So
sir.
omega is a 10th root of unity and omega square is a 5th root of unity. Hereafter you see options. K is your q of omega square and L is your q of omega. Already I gave you know that q of omega over the field q phi of n. Remember have?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No.
That formula direct the first option telling L ratio q. What is L? L is q of omega. So q of omega over the field q is what? So q of omega is the 10th root of unity, the phi of 10, and phi of 10 is 4. So first option is wrong.
Yes.
Understood?
Okay, okay. Yes, sir.
B option telling L ratio k. What is L? L is q of omega square, and k is what is k? K is no. L is q of omega, and k is q of omega square. So omega is a over the field. Omega is a what is omega? Omega is a 10th root of unity, and omega square is a 5th root of unity.
Yes, sir.
So here one thing can do, q of omega over the field q will be transitive property we will use here. Q of omega over the field q is 4. Q of omega square over the field q, what will come? Omega square is a 5th root of unity. So phi of 5 is 4. So C option I think correct.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
C option is correct. D option telling L and K both are same. No. What is L? L is a q of omega and K is q of omega square. One is over the field and
10.
10th root of unity, and another one is 5th root of unity.
B also will come, sir.
B is what? L ratio K is 2 have. What is L? L is Q omega square and K is Q of omega. 1 minute. Over the field Q of omega asking. Very good. 1 minute. Over the field Q4 coming. Both. One is 10th root of unity, one is 5th root of unity, and over the Q of omega square. 1 minute. Here square meaning suppose omega square will be any name I will give. Suppose Z, then Q of Z is a 5th root of unity over the field. Mind that CSIR book with you have no? Not have, maybe not have. 1 minute. Question over the field have. 5th root of unity and 10th root of unity. Over the field is like given. Both are subfield, and we will divide by fifth root of unity will go Q of omega is the fifth root and isomorphic with Q boxes by over the field Q boxes. Then your fifth root of unity polynomial will come as to the power 5 plus 4 plus x 4 degree polynomial and Q of omega 10 root of unity omega square this is. Then here will come Q box x by 10 degree polynomial is over the field 5 by 2. Then 2 degree will come. So here B and C option giving. What is answer key?
C, D, sir.
D.
Yes, sir.
L is equal to K.
L is Q of omega, sir. That is 10th root of unity. So 5 of
Okay. Their degrees are same have no 4 degree polynomial only will satisfy. Phi of n have no phi of 5 also 4 and phi of 10 also 4.
yes, sir. So
Their set will be same. Same equation will come.
yes, sir. So how
But
to
here
option B, sir?
B actually no can't proceed because no Q of 10th root of unity is the field over the field Q of 5th root of unity.
Yes, sir.
That is not possibility because that is not a subfield. When 5th root of unity we are solving, then 5th root of unity is not containing in Q root, 10th root of unity.
Okay, sir.
Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Means how I will tell. Cube root of unity when you will find 4th root of unity when you will find our elements are changes going.
Yes, sir.
So they won't contain. So they won't subfield.
Okay.
So that is already impossible. And C option means Q omega over the field Q 4 degree polynomial coming. And Q of omega square over the field Q that also over the field for Q 4 coming. So 4 degree polynomial they will contain. So both will be same state will come. Just like I gave you in class Q box I and Q box minus I.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise you can tell Q box X by suppose I will give you X square. And suppose next I will give q box x 2x square. So same 1 degree polynomial only will come, no? Both. Understanding what I'm telling?
I'm not getting your question, sir. 2 square.
1 minute. Q box x by x square. Which type of element will contain?
2 cube of 6
By x square.
by x square. Okay, sir. 2 degree polynomial.
No, Subha, I'm telling q box x by
X square.
q box x by, suppose I will give you 2x square plus 3. So which type of elements will contain in this ring? Tell me.
Which elements will contain, sir?
This is a ring, no? This is a field also. So which type of elements will contain this field? Can't tell. This is that factor group, no? Factor ring this is.
Sir.
I told already, know that if denominator 2 degree polynomial have, then will contain only 1 degree polynomial, no? Because any type of polynomial, if you will divide by 2 degree polynomial, then what will be the remainder?
1, sir.
1 degree polynomial. So q box x by, suppose 2x square plus 3 I am giving. So same ax plus b will contain, where a and b both are rational. Correct. But same q box x, denominator polynomial I will change, suppose 5x square plus 2. Then same only equation will change, you know. So both are same only, you know.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Understanding?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understand.
Photo I will send. So like that, here both degree will be 1 1. Both are.
Okay, sir.
That I'm sending photo. See. So here over the field, both degree will be 2 only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Both degree will be 2 because basis set 1 1 1 and 1 1 and 1 like that will go. Ax plus b have.
No.
So both basis set 1 comma x, correct? So both state will be same. Like that, your I did know now that q box omega 4 degree coming.
Yes, sir.
So when 4 degree polynomial same have, so their same polynomial will contain inside. So L and K both are same.
Okay, understand, sir.
Actually omega case, no, we can't write like that because no omega case 10th root of unity, that equation if you will start for writing, problem will come. So whenever degree will same, both will be equal.
Okay.
And B option is wrong because that is not a subfield.
Okay, sir.
So not possible to find over the field that.
Okay, sir.
Next.
So next in 30th, only C option you have given in key, sir. Why not B and D, sir?
B and D. What is question? G be a group of order 60. G is abelian 30 order subgroup. D has subgroup 6, 10, 15 order. Okay. Whenever Subha, whenever you are getting like this order, already I told in class that whenever order of group giving, only go by silo.
Okay, sir.
No another group order, another group don't think, because here we have no exactly groups. If 60 order group, if you are choosing partial, prime factorization, if you will do, what will come? 12, 50, 60. 2 square into 3 into 5, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
3 types subgroup possibility. 2 types subgroup, 6 plus 5 child subgroup. Order will be 4, order will be 3, order will be 5.
5. That's
So
about
235. C option is correct.
yes, sir.
Yes.
So, thought 30
Two order
minutes.
silo subgroup. But here little mistake have in question mistake have little. G has a subgroup of order 2 square. Therefore, I have to write. Typing mistake have.
Okay, sir.
Because two silo subgroup order here is 4. 2 square.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When we have 60 order particular group, no, then we can tell that exactly which order subgroup will exist. Otherwise, no.
Actually, here we have to get subgroup of orders 2 square only, no, sir? That only you're telling.
Yeah. Order is 2 square.
Okay, sir.
But here order 2 writing. 2 square will come there.
Okay, sir.
6, 10, 15, this and all we can't tell.
Okay, sir. Understood, sir. I thought just the devices 30, 6, 10, 15, everything.
No. Don't do like that. I told already that if D divides group, then D order, sorry. I told if D order element will exist, then D order subgroup possibility. But this is not meaning that D subgroup not existing means D also will divide, not like that.
Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
So divides means possibility subgroup. If not dividing is not like that, that subgroup does not exist, not like that.
Okay, sir.
So direct you don't go by divides have, so that order subgroup will exist, not like that. In your I gave in class in A4 cardinality is 12 and
Yes.
6 will divide 12, but 6 order subgroup does not exist in A4.
Sir.
So don't do like this.
Okay, sir.
Next question.
Next question, I have no idea, sir.
Y or Z plus X plus IY, put and solve.
Just Z and Z plus I have to put X plus I, sir.
Yeah, and region find. Also given have region have to find which type of after calculating region will come. Both upper denominator find and whole square put that denominator no that side take less than 1 have no that side take both side whole square put and solve.
Okay. Oh, both sides
Cancel.
square and okay, sir.
Cancellation will go.
Okay, sir. Understand, sir.
Next.
I have to substitute and find it. That's it.
Z plus X plus IY and solve. Finish.
Okay, sir.
59.
59. I don't know the approach, sir.
59 Subhapriya, limit extends to 1 by 2 have no.
Yes, sir.
0 by 0 will come. Upper and denominator differentiable you do with respect to X.
Okay, sir.
0 by 0 how will come understanding?
Because pi by 2 like that is 0, no, sir. Cos pi by 2.
No. Cos pi by 2 where you directly will put pi t plus pi by 2 you will put.
Oh, that's T. Okay, sorry, sir. I didn't see that.
Limit have in X, correct? X tends to pi by X tends to 1 by 2. So
Yes.
X have to put no.
So first I have to integrate that cos, no, sir. Then
No. Subha,
yes,
if
sir.
integration upper limit and lower limit both are same means integration value 0 no.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood. So X upper side 1 by 2 if you will put, so upper side 0.
Okay, sir.
And denominator X plus 1 by 2 if you will put 2 cancellation will go then E by 2 here. And here inside X square plus 1 by 2 means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 1 by 2 will come. E by 2 will cancel. So 0 by 0.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Understood.
Understanding, sir.
This and all no confusion creating there that you can't catch.
Sir.
And this and only have to catch. And here after what you do, separate differentiation to differentiation with respect to X in numerator and denominator. Upper side integration have no, so Leibniz formula you use.
Okay, sir.
And denominator direct in differentiation to a new function prepare in that limit extends to 1 by 2 apply.
Okay. Okay, sir. I'm doing, sir.
Next. 19 writing. 19 what problem?
19 I got option A, sir, as answer.
19, what is the 0 to x ft dt x square sin x plus x cube? Then f of pi by 2. How to find this? You do Leibniz apply Suba here. Both side differentiation do. Derivative of function, something will come.
Okay, sir. But
Okay.
I'm not. I haven't used that Leibniz formula till now, so that's the problem. Sir.
That's the problem. And I think 3 question we got Leibniz.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You apply Leibniz, you will get this all 3 question.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
34.
34. What I am the value. Here I got.
34, you find residue and pole and I'll find.
I did, but I didn't get the answers, sir.
Here, what is I by 4 minus pi? Okay, no problem. Here I have mod z is equal to 4, correct?
Yes, sir.
So function is 1 by z cos z. Correct. So first have to find that function has which type of singular point. Pole have, then what is the order of pole and all. One thing you do here, cos z, cos z binomial expression is what? 1 by z. Cos z is 1 minus z square by factor 0, the z factorial 2 plus z power 4 by factorial 4, like this, correct?
Yes, sir.
So cos z is nothing changes have z is equal to 0. Here no, z is equal to 0 is a simple pole you write.
Yes, sir.
Because cos z expansion writing means nothing difference coming.
Yes, sir.
So simple pole is here. So residue find at z is equal to 0.
2 pi I into that only, no, sir.
Yeah, 2 pi I into
Residue of f of z.
Residue f of z at z is no 2 pi here, don't 2 pi put here. Residue finding is limit formula, limit z tends to 0 into z into function 1 by z into cos z, z finish, z cos 0 is 1, residue will be 1 at 0. After that, in this integration 2 pi I will come, I by 4 minus pi into integration.
Okay, sir.
z dz is equal to, so I by 4 minus pi integration, this is 2 pi I into residue of f of z. So residue ka what coming? 1 coming. So 2 pi I square minus 1 means minus 2 by 4 minus pi will come.
Yes, sir.
So D option will come here, none, because answer coming minus 2 pi by 4 minus pi.
Then in answer key you have given option C, sir.
C2.
Yes, sir.
Then any question, use what is question correctly? C, I by 4 minus pi have.
Yes, sir.
Then maybe any question, any typing mistake, because my calculating coming here minus 2 pi by 4 minus pi. So if C option given have 2, this meaning pi will cancel, and C option how will come? If don't know here, this is 4 or modulus of z is equal to 4 dz. Which FTS this is?
This is 6th one, sir.
6. 1 minute, I will check. I by 4 minus pi only writing. Z cos no. Answer ki maybe then D answer will come here. C answer won't come.
Actually, minus 2 pi divided by 4 minus pi only, no, sir, will come.
Yeah, minus 2 pi by 4 minus pi coming.
Yes, sir. That only I know.
D answer will come in this.
Okay, sir.
Answer is C giving.
Yes, sir.
Okay, answer key here after next only I can change. D answer will come in this.
Okay, sir.
Next, 36 what problem?
36 also I didn't get, sir.
Function given have satisfied the assumption of Rolle's theorem in the interval -1 to 1, the order pair PQ. Okay. Rolle's theorem here satisfying. Rolle's theorem is meaning at end point both will be same. F of -1 0, f of 1 is 0. Okay. After that, f dash x have to find. Rolle's theorem is satisfying. Then what is f dash c is equal to 0? Correct. And
Yes.
c will be middle, means at least 1 point between -1 to 1. So okay, here function you can divide derivative. If you will do, one will come 1 plus c, another one will come 1 no derivative, no,
Minus 2p.
means derivative f dash c means f dash x1. F dash x means less than 0, 1 will come,
1.
and greater than equal to 0 means
2p.
u into v into derivative -1 plus 1 into derivative this p. Okay, 1 minute. After x I will find, and 1 will come in this, and this will come u into v into derivative. This is -1 plus 1 minus x into derivative of this is p. This is x less than 0. This is x greater than equal to 0. Okay. So x less than 0, f dash x coming is 1.
1.
And x greater than equal to 0, f dash x coming px plus q into -1 plus 1 minus x into p. So less than 0 function constant coming. If x plus c, you will put f dash c is equal to 0. So equal to 0 means second function, correct? Understanding what I am telling? Whatever function given have, that function f dash x, if you will find, what you are getting?
So actually this f dash for x greater than 0, it is we are getting p minus q now, sir.
Yeah, I'm not solving.
Okay.
X function defining two places, correct? X less than 0 and x greater than equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
So derivative if you will do, so at less than 0 you will get 1.
Yes, sir.
And less than 0, greater than equal to 0, you will get px plus q into -1 plus 1 minus x into p. I am not solving. You can solve also. Wait, I will solve this. This will come your minus px minus q plus p minus xp. So minus 2px plus p minus q. Means at greater than equal to 0, your function will be minus 2px plus p minus q.
Okay, sir.
Correct.
That only I'm not getting sure.
Your function given have not two function derivative do.
Yes, sir. Keeping 1 minus x, if I do the second one, I'll get p alone, sir.
Second, how p alone will come? U into v formula applying or direct differences into it?
U into v only, sir.
No, u into v you will apply means, suppose your function is 1 minus x. Your function here two type define have.
I'm doing some mistake.
F dash x will come u into v into derivative of 1 minus x is -1 plus 1 minus x into derivative of px plus q is p. If you will solve this, minus px minus q minus plus p minus xp. So coming minus 2px minus q plus p. You got?
Yes, sir. P minus 2px minus q, sir.
Yeah, p minus 2px minus q. So this f dash x is your valid for greater than equal to 0.
Okay, sir.
So by Rolle's theorem, we are telling f dash c is equal to 0.
So, yes, sir.
So x place, if you will put c, then you will get minus 2pc minus q plus p is equal to 0.
Okay, sir.
So here you have to find what is the order, then the order pair PQ means at least one C. C is between -1 to 1. But
Yes,
here C will be between 0 to 1 because second case only we can apply F test C.
yes, sir.
Okay. So 4 option giving, no?
Okay, sir.
4 option, one by one option you put P place. Suppose first option. First option is your 2 and -1 have.
Yes, sir. So two.
You put here minus P place. If you will put 2 means will come -4C and plus 1 and P will be plus 2 and
Yes,
equal to 0. Find the value of C here. -4C plus 3 is equal to 0. Then what will come? C is equal to 3 by 4.
sir.
Okay. So what is your C? You know.
Yes, sir.
Listen. What is your C here? C means between -1 to 1.
Yes, sir.
But our f dash x we are applying greater than equal to 0 case, no?
Yes, sir. 0, comma 1. So,
Yeah. So your C will be positive always
okay, sir.
because less than 0 function is direct 1 coming f dash x. So if your C is positive coming, so your first option is correct.
Okay.
This is multiple choice, single choice.
Single choice, sir.
Single choice.
Yes, sir.
Then first option correct coming. C is equal to 3 by 4 coming positive only.
But option
1
D
minute.
only you have given, sir.
Option B giving. 1 minute. Option B I'm checking. -2 -1. Minus means minus minus plus 4C plus 1 plus P. What is P? P is -2. So here 4C minus 1 is equal to 0. C is equal to 1. C also positive. D also positive coming.
Uh,
2 I will put here means -4C plus 2 and Q is -1. This is 3 -3 minus minus cancel. C option what? Another one thing also we have to check that C coming positive as well as we have to check two things have to check. No, f dash x will be 0 at least 1 point C. Subhapriya, here two things have to check. C we are getting, no.
yes, sir.
After that, that C value we have to put and have to check that point is the function will be 0 or not. This also have to check.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. That into minus 4 into 3 by 4 plus 1 have to come 0 like that, sir.
1 minute again. I will check one time. Our f dash, if C value is suppose 1 by 3, then at this C and at this PQ, our f dash x 0 have to come. Okay. Suppose your C is equal to 3 by 4, P comma Q is 2 comma -1. Then f dash C we want 0. I think it will come anything because calculating doing only. P is 2 and C Q is -1. F dash x will be -2 into P. -4 x -2 means +1 and P is 2 + 2. Okay, C is equal to 3 by 4, 3 to cancel 0 coming on. Both are satisfying here. What about C option -2 comma -1? 1 minute. -2 comma -1. So -2 means minus minus plus 4C and -1 plus P. P is -2 is equal to 0. So 4C -3 is equal to 0. Here also positive coming. then 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1 will be minus 4c minus 1 plus 2. Here every all options are satisfying only. This is multiple, just single choice, 3 marks only.
That is the question of sixth FTS, sir.
Here every all options are satisfying. 6 FTS same.
Yes, sir.
36 15 plus 25 plus 26 after 20. Yeah. Rolle's theorem satisfying between -1 to 1, the order pair PQ. So after the C will be 0. C value coming here. Okay, I will check this here. All options are satisfying only.
Yes, sir.
Function, 1 minute here, one thing not checking. Our function is continuous on close interval -1 to 1. That also have to check, no? Rolle's theorem satisfying 3 property. Function is continuous. After that, function is differentiable. That also have to check. Between -1 to 1. Wait 1 minute. Maybe from there anything I will get. That 2 property not checking. Function here have 1 plus x, x less than 0, and 1 minus x, px plus q, x greater than equal to 0. At 0, Subhapriya,
Yes, sir.
first we have to check direct. We are checking. I'm checking for third option. F dash c is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. My mobile on nothing. Okay. Our function is continuous. Have at 0.
At 0.
If f of 0 we will put, then function will be 1, and down will come q.
1 will come and yes, sir.
Because there is 1 minus 0. 0 left hand, if we will check, then 0 left hand will be 1 plus x, and right hand will be your down function 1 minus x into px plus q. And functional value at 0, f of 0 will be 0. This will finish, q will come. Here 1 will come, is q is equal to 1 v1. Just Suvapriya answer ki B giving or C or any D?
D, sir. D, sir.
D giving, no?
Yes, sir.
Came. Third property will satisfy everything, because that is C and P, Q we are finding.
Yes, sir.
Because all satisfying only, correct. You see our function, first continuous have to check.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so when f of 0 you will put x place both places, then upper value 1 will come and down value q only will come.
Sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
So function have to continuous means both have to equal, no?
Yes,
So
sir.
q value also we want 1, then only function will be continuous at 0.
Okay, sir.
When function defining at stepwise, then I told how to check function is continuous at point or differentiable. So here function step at 0. So both places x plus 0 0 you put.
Okay,
So
sir.
1 coming and down q coming. So q must have to come 1.
Okay, sir.
Then only function will be continuous.
So
okay.
option C and D will be
Hereafter derivative you do. Okay. Because derivative also we want that between -1 to 1 derivative will or not. So f dash x if you will do, then upper limit 1 you will get. Already we did just now. Okay, again I will do. Down will come your u into v. What came finally after calculating?
Minus 2px minus q, sir.
P minus 2px minus q, correct?
Yes, sir.
So here also you put 0, x plus. So f dash x will be upper side 1 and down will be p minus q. Already q we find 1. So upper side 1 and down will p minus 1. So we want both have to equal.
So
So
2.
P minus 1 equal to 1. So P is equal to 2. Finish. Very easy way coming.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So P and Q 2, 1. D option. I thought no, these two automatic will come, so not checking. Direct third option. I thought by third option very easy way will come.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Understood? Or I will send photo.
No, sir, I understood, sir.
Okay.
So next 55th question.
55. How many have?
Still 5 more, sir.
55. 55 next, no?
Yes, sir. So I got even when F is even, G is even, I got, sir. Then F is odd also, G is even, I got, sir. So by this, I also ticked option A also, sir. Option A won't come, sir.
What is this first? G and F function given where G of X is equal to F of X into F of X plus F of minus X. G is even for all F, G is odd for all F, G is even if F is even, G is even if F is odd. So that if F is even function, this meaning F of minus S is F of X. So so G of X will be 2F of X whole square.
Yes, sir.
So G of minus X, if you will do, then F of minus X, Fx, same. So if F is even, no, then G also will even.
Yes, sir.
C option will be there.
Yes, sir.
But if F is odd, if you will choose, 1 minute, that also I will check, minus Fx. So here, 0 function will come.
0 will come, sir.
So 0 function will come means X plus anything you choose, 0 only. G of minus X also 0 function. So if F is odd function, then G will be odd even both. Means F you choose even function, so G is even function. F is odd, then G is even function can tell, or G is odd function can tell, because G of X minus X is equal to same G of X, 0 only will come.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Minus 1 minute. Here what option giving?
CD.
For all F, CD answer giving, correct?
That's what I thought. If F is even, we get G is even, and if F is odd, also G is even. Then so I also take the option A, sir, even for all.
No, actually, G is for all F, G is even. For all F means if F is even function, G must be even coming. F is odd function, G is 0 function coming.
Yes.
Means G is what will tell this is 0 function coming means if F is even. 1 minute here, no. Fx plus F of minus X. Fx is even function is like this function coming. G must be even only. If F is odd, we'll choose. Then F of minus X will be minus F of X function always will be 0. So F is odd means G is even, F is even means also G is even. You are telling that G is even for all F. For all F, this is meaning different, Suha.
Okay, sir.
Here for all F meaning is different. Then you have to think another type function. CD must will be correct.
Okay, sir.
CD if F is even, if F is odd, is special defining function.
Okay, sir.
Means you have to choose at even function, at odd function G, what will happen. But for all F Gx is equal to 0 function won't come now. Suppose I will choose Fx is equal to 2. Then what will come? 2 into 2 plus 2. So 4 function coming, no, means 2 2 to 4, 8 will come g of x.
Even so.
Understanding what I'm when for all f telling no, this meaning f not only for even or odd. Some
Oh,
function have that is you can't find even or odd also. Then what you will do? Constant function. Correct.
now also if you are telling it is equal to 8 means that also even only, sir.
Subhapriya, when
Sir.
our function is odd, that time g of x 0 getting no.
Yes, sir.
But when function I'm 2 choosing, g of x 8 I'm getting.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Understand, sir.
For that I'm telling, for all f you can't tell like this.
Okay.
Special have to define when f is odd, that time g of x must will be 0 function.
Okay, sir.
No another constant will have to come. So for this reason, that options are wrong.
Okay.
Next 59, you are asking more big calculating this.
Yes, sir. This God means caused by.
Sum of the residues at the pole of this. Two type of poles you have to go, means cos pi z, cos pi z by sin pi z and z plus a whole square. You will get here at z is equal to a two order pole.
Okay, sir.
So from there you have to find one residue. And means your fz will cos pi z by sin pi z into z plus a whole square.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sum of the residues asking. So you have to find separate. Sin pi z is equal to 0. Then what you will get? Pi z is equal to n pi. Pi finish. So z is equal to n, and all will be simple pole.
Yes, sir.
So you have to find generalization only. At z is equal to n simple pole have then residue at z is equal to n have to find separate. So residue of f of z at z is equal to n. So what have to do? Limit z tends to n, z minus n into cos pi z by sin pi z into z plus a whole square. So limit if you will apply Subha here, then L hospital rule have to apply.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, another any method I gave, 1 minute I will. That is a simple zero have to come, but and final not a simple zero. No, that formula can't apply here. Here, Subha, you have to apply L hospital rule only, no another way.
Yes,
So, so what can do? Z minus n into cos pi z by sin pi z. Any method I gave this type cos pi z by sin cos pi z by sin pi z. But in that, one formula I gave, no, f of a by g dash of a, like that. What is that formula in complex analysis? You have notes
yes,
that
sir.
at z is equal to a, f of a will be not equal to 0. That formula here can apply. One formula I gave, you see residue and all. Residue chapter last I gave, residue chapter last.
That 2 pi I, that one formula, sir, and that 1 by n minus 1 factorial.
No. One concept type I gave, that if f of at z is equal to a, f of a is not equal to 0, but z is equal to a is a simple pole of g of z. Then residue of f of z by g of z at z is equal to a is f of a by g dash of a.
G dash of A. Yes, sir.
That formula here apply.
Oh,
No need to apply here L hospital rule. Here z is equal to n is a simple pole of full function. Means z is equal to n is a simple zero of sin pi z.
okay, sir.
But okay.
F of A divided by G dash of A. F of A means cos. Cos is F of A, sir.
Yeah, here f of a means cos pi a,
Okay, sir.
and g of a means that your denominator.
Sine. Okay, and to derivate it, so it will be cos by A also. Become 1, so.
G of z. Can apply, no problem. I think. Actually, here z plus a whole square also. Okay, one time apply, we'll see after that. What have to done? Then here direct can apply residue of f of z at z is equal to n is cos n pi by sin f dash. No, you have to derivative this sin pi z into z plus a whole square with respect to z. Then after that have to apply z plus a, g dash of a, f of a by g dash of a. So what about g of z dash z u into v into differentiation of sin pi z is cos pi z divided by pi and plus u into 2 into z plus a. After that have to apply cos n pi means minus 1 power n, correct? Pi minus 1, 2 pi, 1, 3 pi, again I think minus 1 plus 1 will come. And z plus a whole square. Here again cos pi z have, then z plus what have to apply n, then n plus a whole square. Again here minus 1 power n by pi will come, and sin pi z have n plus z, this is 0 will come. Finish. So minus 1 will finish. This pi have derivative did not, multiplication will come, correct? So you will get one residue is 1 by pi into n plus a whole square. You are getting, you are doing.
So,
1 minute. And residue of f of z at z is equal to n is this, correct? And next we have to do residue at z is equal to a. Residue of f of z at z is equal to a. Two order pole is here. So two order pole means 1 by 2 minus 1 factorial, limit z tends to a, derivative have to do z by a whole square, z minus a. Here z is equal to z plus a whole square have no. So z is equal to minus a is a two order pole. So z is equal to minus, so minus a, so here plus into cos pi z by sin pi z into z plus a whole square. This is cancelled. The derivative u by v. Cos by sin, differentiation of cot what?
differentiation of cot is
Cot theta derivative what? Otherwise u v direct I will apply.
yeah, cos by sine we can do, sir. Like that, if I do means
V into
log sine only, no, sir, will come.
Differences on cot x. Log sin x only. 1 minute here, derivative I will do by into differences on cos minus sin x into pi minus cos pi z into difference sin x cos x into pi by v square. So sin pi z whole square minus pi here minus pi cos pi z whole square. Correct. Minus pi common will come in sin square pi z cos square pi z. Suppose minus I will common is cos square x minus cos 2x will come. Cos 2x is cos square x minus sin x. Here to plus cos square pi z minus sin square pi z by sin square pi z. Cos 2 pi z by sin square pi z. Z tends to a means cos 2 pi a sin square pi a. Have to solve this again. Cos 2x is another formula. What have? Cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin is cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. Another one is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Correct. 1 minus 2 sin square x by sin square pi z. Separate will do means cancellation will go. This is calculating only have to do 1 by this means can tell cosec square pi z and this separate will do means calculate this will cancel 2 will come. Now can tell one thing pi cosec square pi a and minus no then okay sin square sin minus it as minus sin the whole square have no problem minus 2 minus 2 pi 2 cancel cos 2x square cos 2x square minus 2 cos 2x minus 2 correct. So we have to add both. For me 2 pi coming. Or here asking not which of the following are not the sum of residue at the poles. Okay, both we will add this summation form 1 by pi minus pi cosec square pi. I got minus 2 pi. This is extra I'm getting. Okay. Here what answer ki giving all giving anything?
B, C, D, sir.
B, C, D are not possible.
Yes, sir.
If we will add this, summation 1 by pi minus uh, 1 minus already. Okay. minus pi, if I will take common, then sin square theta plus square theta will come, no? Correct. The calculating mistake have plus will come, then here will come 1 by sin square pi z minus pi, then okay, m will come minus pi by cosec square pi a. Minus pi cosec square pi a. M. Swapriya, what have to do, you know?
Yes, sir.
Actually, here z is equal to n is a simple pole have complete.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So for every n, if you will find, after that summation have to do. And every n means here n is the integer.
Okay, sir.
So sin pi z is equal to 0, then pi z is equal to n pi, and is an integer.
Okay, sir.
So and integer means everything 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So your residue will come at z is equal to n 1 by pi into n plus a whole square for all n. For all n belongs to integer.
Okay, sir.
After that, at z is equal to a, if you will find residue, and if you will solve, then will come minus pi cosec square pi a.
Okay, sir.
Okay. After that, if every you have to write like this: residue of f of z at z is equal to n, and for all n belongs to integer, summation plus residue of f of z at z is equal to a. When summation z natural integer writing, then n is equal to minus infinity to infinity, and what coming 1 by pi into n plus a whole square. I will send photo.
Okay.
Us is getting what? Minus pi cosec square pi a. Finish this only. So first option is the correct coming. So BCD they are giving answer.
Okay, sir.
Little I did calculating here and there, you try to catch, huh? I will send photo. Roughly calculating I am doing.
That's it.
You see, I send. Understood.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For every n separate, if you will find, suppose after that you will add means summation, if you will put means n minus infinity to infinity only have to give.
Okay, sir.
First summation minus infinity to infinity, meaning n belongs to integer. Every residue separate have to find at 1, at 2, at minus 1, at minus 2. Then automatic minus and all summation like that only will come, minus infinity to infinity. The generalized residue for all and integer coming 1 by pi into n plus a whole square.
Okay, sir.
Here asking sum of residues. Okay. So some form if you will write means that for all n belongs to integer have that you have to write summation, and integer means what? Minus infinity to plus infinity. So some place you have to write minus infinity to infinity.
Okay.
So exactly first option coming. So BCD is wrong.
Understand, sir.
Last is what? Last is open image prepare, open to open, homeomorphic, close to close homeomorphic.
Actually, in 57.
Your x is your circumference circle.
Okay, sir.
Closed, that is closed. Okay, and y is your straight line like this. Means straight line is asteroid type. Asteroid can't tell, little band type will go, but this is straight line will come.
Okay, sir.
And this will be also closed because all are circumference point only, all are limit point will contain, not open.
Okay.
And your z will be hyperbola case, this is. And this hyperbola also circumference only, not open. This also can tell closed. Here x is not homeomorphic with y writing, y is not homeomorphic with z writing, x is not homeomorphic with z. Why? Question I think is simple. Answer keyword giving.
B and C, sir.
B.
B and C, sir.
Z is x square minus y square is equal to 1. Okay, correct. Rain coming. Pani type. पानी बंद कर दो. Subhapriya,
Yes, sir.
your X is closed.
Yes, sir.
I will send you. Y also will be closed, but Z is not a closed. Z will be hyperbola. I am sending photo. You see.
Okay, sir.
1 minute. So closed to closed homeomorphic possibility.
Okay, sir.
Check it.
Okay, sir.
Understanding.
Yes, sir. Understand.
X to Y homeomorphic possibility, Y to X possibility, but X to Z, Z to X, Y to Z, Z to Y not possible.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Another have or finish?
That's all, sir. Still one more I didn't give you, I think, sir. In fourth one,
What?
still one more question I didn't send you, sir.
Okay, send me.
1 second, sir. 40th question of
साढ़े 7 आ गया.
sir. This question, sir. Here will not be holomorphic only, no sir will come.
Here V is satisfying your property, Laplace property.
It must be harmonic only if we can say holomorphic, no sir. Can't be when we do dou square v by dou y square, it won't be equal to 0, no sir.
Del V by del X what will come? 3y square. Del square V by del X square will be 0.
Yes, sir.
Del V by del Y will come your 6xy. Del square V by del Y square will be 6x. So this V is not satisfying, no, Laplace property.
Yes, sir.
So any type of U, if you will choose, then won't come. This is F is not holomorphic.
Yes, sir. But in key it is option B, sir.
Option B giving.
Yes, sir.
Maybe any typing mistake have I also forget to check anything mistake doing. Here V what asking FZ giving V giving complex value function then. For suitable choice of U, F is holomorphic. No, F is not analytic because any type of U if you will choose, function will analytic means will satisfy Laplace property, that harmonic function property. But here any type of U will choose, no.
Yes, sir.
Actually, no, maybe answer key wrong giving otherwise, because D option also if he is not differentiable as function of X and Y.
Yes, sir. I wrote that only.
Maybe that will be the answer anything. Okay, this answer key wrong, not possible. Any
Okay.
type of U, if you will choose function is not analytic.
Okay.
Complete.
Yes, sir.
You read again, revise, do any doubt, then tell me later.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. After this 10th FTS, after giving the answer key only, I have to check it, sir.
Okay, no problem. Any day you collect 1 week, 2 week will take, revise notes correctly. You
Okay.
revise, you give time in notes, you are not giving time. You're very theory, no, very poor have. Don't memorize theories.
Okay, sir.
Okay then.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. We will meet on next, any doubt or anything.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.